What's up friends, it's Mike again. Welcome back to another tech review where I find awesome things to simplify your life. Today we're going to be talking about NeueChair's headrests right here. So they sent this to me a week or two ago. I've installed it. It's pretty easy. Just take it out of the box. And then under your chair there's these two little plastic things that you pull out, put the screws in, and bam, you're good to go. So today I'm going to go over the amount of adjustability that you can do on this headrest, and then you can decide for yourself if you want to add it on or not. And here it goes. So the first thing that I really appreciate about the headrest is that it's actually made of the same mesh that's on the chair as well. Not only does this look good, it matches the chair, and most importantly, yes, it's very comfortable and breathable at the same time. And talking about comfort, this headrest actually engulfs my whole neck over here, and it's really good because normally I would have a lot of back pain, and you know what, the NeueChair really helped me with that. I didn't really feel a lot of back pain at all, but really using it without the headrest before, I had a lot of strain on my shoulder and neck over here. That was because when I work, sometimes I lean backwards like this, and it had no support for my neck, but with this, it supports it really well, so I don't have to actively use my muscles to keep my body up. And then when I switch it back to sitting straight, it really hugs the back of my neck and to the mid part of my head as well. So just to give you a quick overview, this part and this part is made of plastic, and these two are made of metal. So it's very sturdy over here. The support is very strong. It's not gonna just fall off. It's plastic over here too, and it's mesh over here. It's very firm, very bouncy, very solid. It's meshy. What you can do with the headrest is that you can push it down or up like this, and then you can tilt this up and down to match whatever that you're comfortable with, like this. And then finally, and this is the most important part, you can push this outwards or inwards. And this is really important because if it doesn't go inwards, it's kind of still like hinging. And I do see some headrests that are like this where it's just not that good, because when you're sitting it doesn't really touch your head, and you really have to lean back like this for it to touch your head. But because it goes inwards, it now fully takes care of my neck and my back and my neck muscles. Anyways, if you are getting this chair, I would highly recommend getting the headrest as well. Kind of surprised that they didn't add it in the first place, but it's not fully ergonomic without the headrest. That's what I'm trying to say. And it's gonna save you a lot of that neck strain and back pain, and you know what? I can't deal with pain, so of course I think it's worth it. The pain that it's gonna cause you without the headrest is gonna cost you a lot more going to the chiro than actually adding this on. So yes, I would totally recommend the headrest. So yeah, really, that's about it for the headrest review. I don't want to go too off topic here, but if you have any questions at all, comment below. I'll be using this chair for a long time, and I love to help you guys out. And if this video has helped you in any way at all, and you want to see more tech related videos from me, remember to like, subscribe, and turn that notification on to get the latest updates about my channel from YouTube, or else they won't do that. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next review. Bye!